Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe. It is May the 29th, 2019. It's been 43 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers and the Worm Factory 360. Let's take a look. And I have not messed with them since last Wednesday. Let's see what this top tray is looking like. And if you haven't watched any previous videos, this top tray was at the very bottom at one time. And since they don't migrate up like they're supposed to, we put it at the top to see if they'll migrate down. And so far it looks like they're mostly all gone out of here. So I think I will see how it looks underneath. We did feed last week in this second tray, the middle tray, and it is full of worms. Some coffee filters and coffee grounds. Looks like they've found it pretty good and are tearing that coffee up. Oh yeah, they're eating it up. Nice little worm ball. And it still smells like coffee. I'm not going to mess with them too much. Let's see what that bottom tray is looking like. Looks like a few worms here on top. Go ahead and toss them in that other tray. That's pretty much all castings on top for sure. Still a few worms in there, several worms. But it's mainly castings, I think. Kind of fluff it up a little bit. There's one thing about putting the PVCs in the corners to keep it from compacting. It definitely helps, but if it gets too low, then they can't get up into the next tray. I did not put the bait cups back in the castings bin after last week, so won't get to see that this week. There are definitely still some worms in here, just not that many, a few here and there. And here's our holding bin. Let's see, that's where all of our worms are at. Lots and lots of red wigglers in here. And this thing is full of worms. Just non-stop. Worms galore. It does look like most of the food is gone. I haven't seen any banana peels. There's a part of a stem. Another stem. Definitely working on those. Lots and lots of red wigglers. I got my bait cups set back up. I've got just some dry peat moss in the bottom of these cups, and then a bad banana that was frozen, just the actual banana part inside the cups. I'm going to cover them up with some more dry peat moss. It'll help soak up that banana. And I'm going to put them back in the castings. Mainly castings anyways. I don't think there's a bunch of worms like we got last week out of the bait cups, but I think there's still enough to bait out of here. And I'm just gonna fill it up to the sides. Won't hurt if a little bit gets in there. And we'll see what happens next week. And for these guys, I'm not ready to split them into something else yet. So there's still some cardboard in here, but got a handful of peat moss and shredded cardboard. And another handful. I'm just going to put that in the middle there. I got some juicy banana peels. Well, that one hadn't been frozen, but the rest of these have. I'm just going to put them in there like that. Maybe spread it out a little bit. I'm just going to cover them up, and we'll see what happens with that next week.
That's all we got today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.